Hello, it's Angeline here. It's time for another Christmas card, and here with Unity Stamp today I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas elf crafty card. So I've grabbed this cute Unity stamp and stamped it on some white cardstock and extended her table length with a black pen and a ruler. And I'm grabbing these cute mini stamps from the Planner Girl Unity Stamp Kit, and grabbing my favorite amalgam ink from Gina K, and grabbing the ink pad to dab onto the stamp and to stamp onto my cardstock. This way the ink is kind of more distributed and the ink will not go everywhere on the stamp, if that makes sense at all. So you want to do a dabbing motion rather than a swiping motion. So once you're done stamping, it's time to color her up. And ta-da! Here is the crafty little elf all colored up. So I've also fussy cut her because I want to add to the background using some gold foil and embossing folder from Tim Holtz, which is the December calendar and holiday words set, which turned out so pretty in my opinion. And I just want to add this using some tacky glue to my card and also the crafty little elf. So here I'm adding a Merry Christmas sentiment, again using the Gina K ink. This sentiment is from the Kid of the Month, October 2016. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas card and thanks for watching. Bye!